Ever wondered how two vertical lines can hold the most water? Today, we're visualizing one of the most elegant LeetCode problems, container with most water. Imagine a set of vertical lines. The goal? Find the two that create the largest container. The width is the distance between them, and the height is limited by the shorter line. Instead of brute force, we use two pointers, one at the leftmost line and one at the rightmost. Compute the area, then move the pointer at the smaller height inward. Why? Because the shorter one is the bottleneck, and moving it gives a chance for a taller line. The area is given by width times minimum height. And since each step reduces the problem size, the algorithm runs in time. Here's the C++ code in action. The two pointers adjust dynamically, scanning for the maximum possible area without missing any potential solutions. And that's how we solve container with most water visually. Comment below which LeetCode problem you want to see next.